Hi, I am NIKHIL Modi, Global Marketing Leader at Phillips Machine Tools. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by choosing the right machine for your needs, we have got great news. So, let me introduce you to Haas Automation's Build and Price tool, your new best friend in finding the perfect machines. Imagine you are starting a new project and need a machine that fits your exact specifications. With Build and Price, you can explore a wide range of Haas machines, whether you are looking at vertical machines, lathes, or 5-axis options, all in one place. What makes this platform truly unique is Haas's commitment to providing real-time, transparent pricing. As you customize your machine, selecting options like tool changers or specific spindle speeds, the Build and Price tool updates the pricing instantly, ensuring you have all the details needed to make an informed decision. It's designed to make your purchasing process clear, efficient, and tailored to your specific needs. To make things even better, Build and Price offers videos and detailed documents that guide you through each option and accessory. Whether you need more information on a particular feature or want to see it in action, you will have all the resources you need at your fingertips to help you make the right choice. Once you have customized your machine, Build and Price provides a clear overview of your selections. This way, you will have a comprehensive understanding of your investment, making the purchasing process straightforward and efficient. The best part, this tool doesn't just help you find any machine, but the right machine for the parts you are manufacturing. It's like having a personal assistant guiding you through the process, ensuring a perfect match for your production goals. Curious to see it in action? Visit rsclc.com today and try the Build and Price tool yourself.